Hi guys, in this video we are solving spreadsheet formulas. So let's start in Microsoft Excel. Here I will select a sample of my data and call alter with my shortcuts. I have an action called spreadsheet formula that I can click and explain what I want. For example, I want to combine name and first name. So I will disable absence, we don't need it, we are using the text selection. And it will create a spreadsheet formula for me. I just need to copy and paste. And here we go. So another example, let's say I want to know how many apples we sold. So again, I call alter with the shortcuts. I click the spreadsheet formula action and ask him what I want as a formula. Again, I disable absence. We are taking only a sample of our data. And I get my formula. So, last example. So we will reuse the formula created for us for the other items. Lemons. Okay, and bananas. So we can also use other action from alter. For example, I can go to the create section and ask to create a chart that I can share with other people. So again, absence disabled, we don't need it. It retrieves the context of the whole app, and we are using the text selection. And I will ask him to create a bar chart, for example, from this data. So this action can take some times. So if I need to do other things while it's going, I can minimize alter and put it in the corner. So it's finished. And we'll look at that. Apples, lemons, and bananas. So pretty cool.